AI is everywhere now. Today I'm going to show you how to use the AI assistant within HubSpot. It's awesome, so stay tuned. So the way that HubSpot's AI assistant has been integrated into HubSpot is quite fantastic. You can actually just see over here at the top right, this says assistant, and here you can literally go ahead and you can type in whatever it is that you want right here. And this will basically allow you to operate within HubSpot, the entire CRM, okay? What's nice is you can also go ahead and you can add apps to your HubSpot. And what's nice about this is you can ask the AI assistant to interact with these apps. So you are going to give permission, and then you can ask the assistant to actually interact. Now, Breeze is the name of the assistant, and you can see that these are the apps that you'll be able to use with Breeze. There are additional connections, applications, third-party apps that you can connect, but they will not work with Breeze. But these are basically your productivity and organization tools. So anything from storage to communications and anything like that, as you can see over here. And once you actually connect them, it's actually quite nice to be able to interact both ways. So if you want to import data, you want to export data, if you want to interact with maybe media, you can do that all over there. You can also go ahead, and if you go into automations over here, you can go to workflows, and this will allow you to actually go and create workflows with AI. Now on the top right, you can say create workflow, and here we can say with AI. And this is great. You can literally ask whatever it is that you'd like to ask. So you can say you want to create a workflow. For example, over here, we've got, just 1 second, we've got a workflow that we'd like to create. So when a new contact is added to a Google Sheet, so you'll have to have a Google Sheet separately, you can have that contact added to your contact lists and mark the lead status as new, and you can go ahead and you can send that, and it'll explain to you how to get it done. Now, of course, there'll be a few ways to get it done. You can just go ahead through the process. There are some other ways of doing this. If you're going into marketing, you can craft emails, landing pages, all these types of things. You can say start from scratch. And once you're in here, you can actually use your AI assistant to create different emails, the content itself. You can see over here on the right hand side, you can collaborate with the assistant, and you can go and ask the assistant to create whatever it is that you'd like to create. You can do this the same as I said with landing pages. On the left hand side, if you go into marketing, your socials, your landing pages, your forms as well. If you go to content, your website pages, landing pages, blogs as well, and it'll give you the same options. The little blip will be on the right hand side. You can just pull it up and you can just type in what it is that you want, and the AI assistant will create it for you.